From the National Weather Service in Grand Forks, a blizzard or near blizzard conditions for late Thursday night through Friday afternoon. High wind watch issued for portions of central North Dakota for late Thursday night through Friday afternoon. Travel impacts are likely. The morning and evening commutes on Friday will likely be impacted. Here's more. Blizzard impacts possible. Most areas should receive at least a dusting of new snow Thursday night. Stronger south winds along with falling snow may lead to a brief period of near blizzard conditions. The greatest potential for 1 inch or more of snow is over the far northern Red River Valley into adjacent areas of northwest Minnesota. The strongest winds are expected on Friday with gusts up to 60 miles per hour, especially in open country along and west of the Red River Valley. There is a 50% chance of at least gusts greater than 58 miles per hour, once again near blizzard or blizzard conditions are possible. When will this hit? That's blizzard impacts possible. Chance of high winds, very high, blowing snow, medium, travel impacts high, blizzard conditions, medium chance of this all happening. And here's when will it hit. Biggest chance is Friday, 8 a.m. through 4 p.m. on Friday, with wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Although confidence is high in the wind forecast, there is still uncertainty in the severity of winter impacts. Stay tuned for that. Friday morning and evening commutes will likely be impacted the most. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.